Good evening, flower friends. It's Lisa Mason Ziegler, dropping in kind of late here tonight, huh? I'm just giving you a heads up that I'm heading over now to YouTube and to Facebook to do an actual live at 8 p.m. tonight. And I am talking all about, first off, we're going to really talk about you imagining if you can become a flower farmer and what that would look like. But I'm talking about tonight about I've brought out my opportunity. I've opened the doors to boot camp for today and tomorrow because boot camp starts 1 week from today, y'all. That's the bonus that all of my flower farming school online students get. And when they enroll by tomorrow night. And friends, I am talking all about what that means, what boot camp is all about in flower farming school, as well as helping you imagine, can you be a flower farmer? And friends, I just want you to not overthink it. I want you to not make your dream so big that it's not, you don't think you can do it. Because I'm here to tell you, if I can do it, anybody can do it. Look what we're still cutting. We've had no rain for 37 days, and we don't irrigate, y'all. But that's a whole nother conversation, right? So join me over on YouTube in just a few minutes because I really want to talk some facts about the flower farming industry, as well as just what I will just tell you this. You know, one of the things that I have learned and found over all these years of being a flower farmer and teaching other flower farmers is the lion's share of people that want to be flower farmers and those that are successful flower farmers, they are not out there growing on 2 to 5 acres of land. Most of these are small operations that are that can be highly profitable by growing with what you have and nailing a market that's available to you and pricing accordingly. And it really can be a lot simpler than a lot of us make it to be. I know personally, I made it really hard for the first few years. But, you know, this is the gift of being old. When you look back over 2.5 decades of doing something, you definitely see the obvious wins and the obvious losses. And that is one of the things that actually created my whole teaching platform, right? But I hope you'll join me over on YouTube, 8 p.m., and just search the Gardener's Workshop if you don't subscribe or don't know about our channel. And would just love to see you over there. I'll be walking you through several different pieces of flower farming, and I'll be talking about how you can actually comment boot camp here if you just want the link to go over and check out my school. While the boot camp bonus is still available, the boot camp is 7 live group coaching sessions. And y'all, we are gonna nail it this winter. My students are gonna come out on the other side of winter as equipped and confident flower farmers. And that's what boot camp is all about. It's not the kick in the pants, but it is. But it's so much more than that. Of getting in there and just getting the work done so you can get down to the business of growing and selling flowers. And it's really that simple. It can be. It's when we complicate it up that starts the issues, right? So friends, see you over at YouTube, 8 p.m. Eastern Time, and we will look at some pretty flower slides and talk about the flower farming industry and how you can become a flower farmer. And I'm telling you, I'm doing an exercise where you can imagine what you would be like as a flower farmer, your place. All right, friends, see you over there. Ciao.